Okay, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to attempt to try and take off this lift cover here for the hydraulic controls. So I did just take off the shifter for the PTO engage and disengage, just to look in there, and if I can get a little bit, there's quite a bit of sludge in there. I'm hoping, like I've wanted to rebuild this top cover anyway, so if I get that off I can hopefully clean out that sludge. And yeah, pretty much what I've read online is that you can do it by removing all the outside nuts. Don't need to touch any of the inside ones, because these ones actually hold the cylinder on to this plate. I'm pretty sure that's what they do. So you just need to undo the outside edge ones and it should just come straight up, hopefully. So yeah, I'll try and get some good shots on the GoPro here of me as well while I'm doing it. I'm just waiting for it to charge up. And yeah, last video I'm just pretty much off of that, waiting for parts for the trumpet, axle bearings and stuff like that. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I just did cleaning up a little bit here, so I don't have any stuff that's gonna fall in when I lift it up, hopefully. So I'm gonna try first with a smaller socket. I need a big one. Okay, I needed a bigger ratchet there. I don't think this lift cover has ever been off. That one was loose. So yeah, you just want to do all of the bolts around the outside. I don't know what these are. They go into the oil pickup lines. It's pretty tight too. You guys can see. You build it. Okay. Now you have to remember where your bolts came from, because there are different sizes. Here we go. Okay, just broke the seal. I'm trying my best to be as careful as I can with it, because I'm not sure if I can break anything here. Okay, that's off the gasket now. That's got some weight to it. Okay, that right side hasn't broke yet. There we go, and there comes the fluid that was in it. Okay, hopefully I can lift up by myself. Okay, there it is, it's off. And it is a mess inside. Okay guys, I just put all of the bolts back in so I remember how they go. And yeah, let's take a look at this. Not sure what that is coming from. It's pretty bad. Let me get a light here. So yeah, there is a lot of sludge in the back of there. Clean all that out. I don't want to be sucking up any sludge. Okay, so this is different from the A10, obviously. I'm new to this. So we've got a pickup and return line, I'm guessing, for the hydraulics, and there's the PTO engage. And now looking at this here, I think I broke this just now. This little seal or O-ring thing here, I just broke that, I'm pretty sure. And that goes, does that fit to that? Must be the pickup line. It must fit onto there, I'm guessing. Does it? Yeah, it just must do. I don't know how that works. I have to look a bit more at it. But I do have a rebuild kit for this. And like, yeah, look at the mess in here. So I am gonna take a quick look over it myself and just do a bit more research, and then I'll start the video back up. Okay, so to wrap up this video, yeah, I decided I'm gonna split these up to some parts here for the lift because I need some new parts to order. So this will be the removal video. So as you can see here, this is the valve relief, pressure relief valve for the hydraulic system. That's what I found out anyway. This is the, not the valve, but the seal for it. So that actually attaches to this right here. And I screwed up when I took it off the lift cover. You were supposed to undo this acorn nut first and unscrew it, and then I wouldn't have damaged it. So lesson learned, I guess. So that'll be it for this video of taking off the lift cover. And oh yeah, I guess I did go ahead here and obviously take off the piston here. It just bolts underneath with the top piece and take off the pins, obviously, and it should come right out pretty easy. And then to get the actual piston out itself, you've got to blow air up through the input hole, which is one of them underneath there. Just, it only needs a little bit of air and it shoots right out like a rocket, so be careful with that. Yeah, there's the top piece there, which you need to take out those bolts to get that out, or this out anyway. So I will get looking for that seal and hopefully get it ordered. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching.